Welcome back, everybody, to another video. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate it. And in this video, we're going to be discussing the mods that I would do and I have done to the Silverado ZR2 and what would transform the look of your Silverado ZR2. So jumping right into it, guys. It is obviously a very aggressive looking truck by itself. You have the bumper cutouts here, you have the big red tow hooks, and you have these massive gray, skid plates underneath as well, so it looks very aggressive. Okay, you also have the flow tie here, where it sucks lots of air into. But jumping into the modifications, guys, that I think would completely transform your Silverado ZR2, give you kind of a side profile here, and then we'll jump right into the look. So I opted for the black optics package, or I forget what it's called, black emblems. Anyways, it's the blackout package on the ZR2, gives you the black badging. I also did, near the ZR2, I did the bullet antenna, guys. I feel like this is a must for any truck owner. You must put a bullet antenna on your truck. If you don't, then you obviously need signal when you're out in the woods somewhere. But anyways, staying on track here, I've also done this is a 22 by 1250 35. Okay, so it's a 35-inch tire, but it's 22 1250. What's the sidewall on this? Yeah, so it's a 35, 1250, 22. And guys, it is a phenomenal tire. It is the Radar Renegade AT tire. So we have 35-inch tall tire. We have a 22 by 12 wheel on the 35 1250 tire. So you can see it's a nice fitment. Looking down, it gives you some decent poke. It doesn't poke out crazy far because the fenders kind of are a little bit wider with this cladding here. But it is a pretty nice wheel, gives it a nice aggressive stance. I also did the billet upper control arms from Peak. And guys, highly recommend those arms. The upper control arms are solid. They make sure all your angles are good. If you're going off-roading and you do plan to lift your truck. So this is another 2 inches on top of the factory too, so about a 4-inch lift. And that's why I did the upper control arms. Guys, the angles are great, especially if you go off-roading and you need to make sure all your angles are good for all the different terrain that you may encounter. So as we kind of walk around here, you'll also see that these are the HD mirrors. So I've put the heavy duty mirrors on the 1500. I think it looks great with the tire poke. I think it makes it look super aggressive. Walking around it here, tires, we've got the mirrors, and again, tires in the back, guys. Other than that, I have not done anything else to, before I forget, here, I have these running boards, and these running boards are from Boost Auto, and these are power running boards. I'll show you. They drop out. They look super sweet. They're nice and sticky. They give you grip even when it rains. But the biggest thing about these is they light up. So guys, look at the lighting animation that you get with the Boost Auto Parts running boards. And guys, these power boards, highly recommend them. Great quality. The lights look great. They even have a turning signal function. Super reliable, have been great for me. And they tuck right up under, so they don't drop down as much. I think it looks great. I think it gives it more kind of a higher look to it. But guys, it looks incredible as far as I'm concerned. And give you just a quick walk around of the truck. Guys, that is what the truck is looking like. And that's how it's sitting. The other thing that I've done to this truck that is a must for Silverado owners is the reverse lights. Look at how bright these reverse lights are now. Guys, these lights are brutal from factory. When you have these lights from factory, these are last fit bulbs and they are super bright. I also did the license plate lights as well. But guys, these lights are crazy bright from factory and they're a must. If you're trying to reverse at night with the other yellowish tinged lights, you can't even see. So guys, that's a quick overview of the mods that I've done to this truck that I would recommend you do to yours. The look in person is incredible, looks super aggressive, and still rides very, very nice. Give you a quick front angle here. Guys, looks super aggressive. Looks like a beast, really. So guys, that's what it's looking like. Leave your thoughts down in the comment section below. Like the video, subscribe if you're new. Lots of new content coming. And guys, we'll see you in the next video.